Kort.
I'm Samiro. We immigrated to Tajikistan a year ago after instability and explosions in Kabul. Tajikistan has become my second home, but migration is not without problems. We now live in a peaceful and tranquil life in Tajikistan. There is no danger of exploding or dying. We walk in the streets without fear. Tajikistan is a country where we live and share our common culture, language, and religion. But when faced with the reality, I saw some differences. My first problem here was the problem with the script. I understand the words of a teacher at school, but I cannot write here. Their language is Persian, just like us, but their script is Cyrillic. The Tajiks are friendly and kind. They used to read to me what was written on the blackboard or books in the early days, and I used to write a Persian script. Thus, I quickly learned the Cyrillic script. Another problem I have is covering my head with a kerchief, which is not usual at the local schools. I have also overcome this problem. When I get to the school's door, I take my kerchief off and wear it again when I leave school.
چقدر؟ من تاجیکی من کتا خریدم کتا تاجیکی آمدم برات نشان بدم حاضر به ما برات نشان بدم بین این ها اینا را در دوزنده جور کردم خیلی خوب این دیگریش امروز میگم یگان تایش بپوشم کدامش بپوشم؟ عشق شرای اینا پوشیدم ما تاجیکای خیلی نمیبندیم بچه جدید ما خیلی میبندیم
واینا بچه ها کجاش نیستونه برم چی برینج روه
We live together with the Tajik people in the same yard. We are both friendly and loving. We take part in each other's celebrations. I called it Tajik food at first. Now I'm used to it. My Tajik friends helped me to cook Tajik meals.
راستی پدر کورس ما شروع میشه دوباره سمستر دومش چی میشه؟
کار شروع میشه؟
خب پدر کورس ما علی منتظر باشیم تا چند روزم؟
چند روز منتظر باشه خدا کریمه الان تو وضعیت مهاجرت بچه دیگه این چندان کارگار نیست دیگه
We have a peaceful life here, but I miss my native country, Afghanistan, a lot. My mother cries sometimes and my father is sighing deeply. My brothers and sisters are always asking me when we will back in home. I have a dream to become a journalist in the future, in order to help to reduce the violence rate in my homeland through my publications. Memories about my friends and classmates who were killed in the series of bombing in Kabul are dear and painful for me. I fear the horrors of war, but I want to make a better life for my parents, brothers and sisters. But I don't know what to do.